I just want to share with you the new Walmart Beauty Box. I received this in the mail today, and I believe this is the summer box, so let's get this open. These Walmart boxes are seasonal boxes, so once you're subscribed, you'll receive a new box every season. So 4 boxes in a year, and it gets automatically charged to your card, so you don't have to go and order one each season. So let's see what's inside. Nice paper. Oh, I just noticed. Usually there's like a welcome card in each of these boxes. How come I didn't get one? Oh well, no card this year, this time with the descriptions of each product, but I'm sure I could tell what each of these items are, right? Mask remover sponge. So I guess once you do all these facial masks, you use this to scrub off. Cool, never used. This one I've received multiple times. The simple cleansing facial wipes. Love these stuff. Yeah, no complaints. Oh no, Impress press-on manicure. You know what? I never tried these before, but I never liked fake nails, so available at Walmart and not for resale. Damn it. Maybe my kids will like them. Because look at it, my nails are huge. How would that fit, right? My kids will use it. Next, styling gel. This looks kind of weird, huh? Does it look like it's been like, I don't know. But yeah, I could use some gel. Pantene shampoo and conditioner. I'm not sure if I've gotten these samples before in the past, but again, I love things like this. Yeah, Sarah, move. Sorry, my kids are like, you're touching the camera, you guys. Stop it. Okay, sorry. And let's see. This is a card for the shampoo and conditioner. And what's this? And you guys can use the code because most likely I'm not going to use these. What are these? Teeth guards? Mouth guards?
What is that?
Some stuff to straighten your teeth. So yeah, here you go. Feel free to use it. Whoever uses first, you'll be the lucky one. Brush cleaning gel. So something to clean your brushes with. Real Techniques. So it's a good brand. And yeah, that's it for this month's box. This month is actually kind of small, huh? Is it small? I don't know. But again, I mean, everything is great except for these. I don't know, I don't like these. So again, sponges, facial cleansing wipes, shampoo, conditioner, gel, and stuff to clean your makeup brushes with. And eek. You guys want to try this? Here, Sarah, come stand up. Let's see if they even... Ooh!
Ooh! Can I choose which one I want?
So what are these? Oh, they're like stickers. And you just... Ew, Sarah. Did you wash your hands after eating? That's nasty. Look at that. But yeah, I guess you try on each nail and see. Oops. This one seems like it fits. And then you glue it on. But what happens? Oh, there's pads. Don't miss product. So you clean it. and press on. But how do you take them off?
Wait, you had to rip this.
Don't rip it. We're not using it yet.
How do I use it though?
How can I use it if your hands are so dirty? But yeah, I guess I'll do a little research before using these. But yeah. So look at this is like the biggest nail. Look, does it fit my nail? No, it doesn't even fit my nail. I guess it's close. But yeah. So fake. Yeah.
This doesn't fit me.
Okay, you guys.
I want to anchor.
I guess we'll wrap this up. Sorry for being so disorganized in this video. But yeah, continue to check back with us. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And click on the like button to help us out. And we'll see you guys soon.
If you give it a thumbs down, please click on the thumbs up.
What are you talking about, Sarah? Stop being so silly. Yeah. Well, thanks again. We'll see you guys soon. Bye-bye.
Bye.